Hello everyone. In this video, we will introduce the iGulu F1 fermentation keg. First, our keg is made from Tritan material, which is baby bottle grade and BPA free, ensuring health and safety. The keg has a capacity of 5 liters. The maximum liquid level mark is 1 gallon, which is 3.8 liters. The upper part of the keg is left empty to prevent foam from overflowing during fermentation. The keg tube at the bottom has some space left to avoid drawing out yeast sediment when dispensing beer. The keg lid is equipped with a rubber gasket to ensure a good seal. There are 3 connectors on the lid. The middle connector is the dispensing outlet, which is used to connect the dispensing tube. The yellow valve is the safety valve, which automatically releases pressure when the tank pressure reaches 2.0 bar. It can also be manually lifted to release pressure. The thinner black connector is the air inlet, which is used to connect the gas automatic control system. This is the clamp, which is used to secure the lid to the keg. Note that when installing it, the ears should be facing downwards. Before opening the keg at any time, always lift the safety valve until there is no sound of gas escaping. Press down on the lid to make sure the clamp is completely loose and can rotate freely. Then, you can easily open the latch and remove the clamp. Due to the presence of the sealing ring, you will need some force to remove the keg lid. After removing the keg, you can fill it with tap water up to the low liquid level line, then add hot water up to just below the shoulder of the keg. Seal the lid tightly. Invert the keg and let it soak for 10 minutes. After soaking, open the keg and pour out the water. Use a sponge with soft edges and dish soap to clean the inner wall and lid. Then, rinse thoroughly with clean water. The keg tube can be cleaned with a 5 mm brush. You can use hot water soaking or boiling for high temperature sterilization. Alternatively, you can use a simpler method. Take about 1000 milliliters of medical alcohol, pour it into the keg. Seal the lid tightly, and shake in all directions to ensure the alcohol contacts all parts of the keg. Place the keg in the machine. Connect the air and dispensing tubes. And use the machine's toolkit to inflate the air pump to 15 to 20 psi. Pull down the beer tap handle to dispense the alcohol. Then, remove the keg. Release the pressure. Open the keg, and pour out the remaining alcohol. Invert the keg to drain any remaining liquid.